Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a mini snowflake out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a ball of some ice quartz clay, which has a gemstone finish when it's baked. If you don't have this, you can mix a tiny amount of light blue with white translucent to create a similar effect. I'll leave a link in the description box below to a video where I use this method to make little jelly beans. So with the quartz clay, I'm going to roll it out between two stacks of 2 popsicle sticks. I then have a small flower cookie cutter here, and I'm going to just press that down into the clay to cut out the shape. And then peel away the excess and remove it off my work surface. I then have a small ball of some white clay, and I'm flattening that very gently with my finger. And then adding it into the center of the flower shape. Next, I've got a tiny ball of white clay, and I'm rolling that into a long, thin, even snake. And then cutting it into 6 pieces. And then placing these onto each petal of the flower so it looks like a big white sun. I've then gone ahead and rolled out another thin snake, and then cut that into 12 tiny pieces. And then placing 2 onto each end of the 6 snakes, so I have 6 of the letter W. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in 2 little balls of black. And a little tiny smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. And then in goes an eye pin to turn it into a charm. And I'm baking it fully using my package's instructions. Then when it's fully cooled down, I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And glazing it with some UV resin to make it nice and shiny. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!